Tesla Cybertruck recall shows healthy production ramp. This morning's reports of a Tesla Cybertruck recall only went to shed more light on how the production ramp of the pickup is going. With delivery figures for the third quarter revealed yesterday, it also shows a grim reality for the Model S and Model X, two vehicles that have become more of a novelty in Tesla's lineup as the Model 3, Model Y, and Cybertruck have truly taken charge. The NHTSA documents released this morning show the Cybertruck is being recalled for a delayed rear-view image, which will be resolved with an over-the-air update. Tesla addresses Cybertruck rear-view camera recall with free software update. However, they also show that 27,185 units are potentially impacted by the issue, giving us a rough guess of how many Cybertrucks have been produced thus far. The breakdown seems to show that from the last Cybertruck recall in June, when 11,688 units were potentially impacted, we have seen roughly 15,497 additional pickups make their way to customers. In a perfect world, that would mean 910 Cybertruck are delivered every week, or 130 per day. And since the first recall occurred with 3 weeks left in June and in Q2, we can subtract 2,730 Cybertrucks from the 15,497 that have been delivered since then. We know that as of now there are 27,185 Cybertrucks delivered, and as of June 6th, there were 11,688 Cybertrucks delivered. That means 15,497 were delivered between June 6th and today, maybe yesterday, which is about 910 per week or 130 per day. These figures are very rough estimates. That would leave 13,157 Cybertrucks delivered in Q3, roughly. Tesla said 22,915 Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck were delivered in Q3. This would leave just 9,758 Model S and Model X to be delivered. Less than 10,000 units for an entire quarter, if the Cybertruck delivery figures are close to accurate. We're continuing to make them for sentimental reasons, Elon Musk said during the Q3 2019 earnings call, that the Model S and Model X are truly vehicles that are niche products, and they knew it wouldn't take the company to a mass market status. I mean, they're very expensive, made in low volume. To be totally frank, we're continuing to make them more for sentimental reasons than anything else. They're really of minor importance to the future. Tesla's Q1 2021 deliveries prove Elon Musk was right about the Model S and X in 2019. Interestingly, the vehicles have had their moments through the past few years. In Q4 2023, the Model S and Model X saw their highest delivery count in 5 years, accounting for 22,969 deliveries that quarter. Now, they're around the 10,000 mark. It will be interesting to see what Tesla's plans are for these two cars, especially as robotaxi unveiling is scheduled for next week. And there could be the potential for more vehicles to be released in the coming years, with the next-gen platform taking focus. It would be a real gut punch to the long-time Tesla fans who saw the Model S and Model X launch the company into the Model 3. But all good things must come to an end. Source, reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.